Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert, and in today's video, I'll show you a ready to move in 3-bedroom apartment that comes with this stunning view of the city plus the views of the entire sea from left to right. You'll see the full sea from here and few islands as well, which includes Dubai Island, Maritime City and Mina Rashid from this apartment. The apartment is fully furnished, which means all you have to do is just bring your clothes and move in inside, and is in one of the most prime areas of Dubai, bang on Sheikh Zayed Road. That too in a community which is by a government developer. So you have everything at your proximity, and in this entire land patch, there is rarely any community by a single developer. So this developer has it because it's a government developer. So this is your grand entrance to the building. There are two towers, which is East Tower connected with the West Tower. So this is a ready to move in 3-bedroom apartment. On the left, you have a powder room. Moving straight, you have your 3 bedrooms. First, let's check out the master bedroom, and trust me, the views are outstanding. So this is your walk-in closet. As you walk in, moving straight, this is your bedroom, and this is your ensuite washroom. The property is pretty spacious. You can see there are little corners. This is your storage space. You can also put in some racks and make it into some more useful space. Coming straight, this is your second bedroom. Comes with the washroom that is attached. And then the bedroom. This is going to be your third bedroom. Again, comes with an ensuite washroom. Coming out of the bedrooms, straight into the other areas, again you have another storage space. You can utilize it, put some racks, maybe put even washing machines here. Next to the storage room, you also have a maid's room, specially dedicated, and it's next to the kitchen. And washroom is right there for the maid. So there's no need to go into the bedrooms and use the washroom. It's direct outside. This is going to be a kitchen. It's semi-closed. You can put sliding doors and you can close it completely. Comes fully furnished with all the kitchen appliances. Right next to the kitchen, you have a dining table where you can sit 8 people. This is the massive living room. Again, comes as it is, whatever wall decor that you see, whatever furniture that you see, it's all included. Balcony that stretches to the entire living room with this kind of a view. This apartment offers you the best views. I'm sure you would have not seen this view from any ready apartment until now. So if you look here, this is your Dubai frame, which separates the old Dubai from the new Dubai. This is your entire garden area. Now this land patch is so premium, and the sole reason for that is that this project is by a government developer, hence you have the best land patch. This is your Sheikh Zayed Road. This community is bang on Sheikh Zayed. If you see there, that's your Jaddaf area. This is your healthcare city. You have your entire Bar Dubai, starting from Oud Mehta, Karama. You have your Al Seef at the back, Deira at the back. On your left, you have your entire Deira area. This is your, again, Bar Dubai, Mankhul area. And you have full sea view from your apartment. So this is how gorgeous the views look like. This is their new building where we can find apartments if you want something which comes with a payment plan. I am currently standing on the 37th floor. This is where the apartment is. And this property is available on full cash. You pay 100% today, you can move in tomorrow. And if you want to take a loan from the bank, you can get it for up to 25 years. And you can get entire 80% loan on this particular property. 20% you'll have to pay on your own. In case you really want to invest in this particular community, but you do not have full cash ready, then you can invest in their other launches, which is, you have this building and you have another one on the left which is being constructed. I can try and find some availability here and we can get it on a payment plan. The payment plan is very flexible, which is just 5% every 3 months flat. No other down payment, no other bullet payment. This property is priced at 5 million AED. If you're interested to check out the apartment or you want more details for the same, reach out to me on the handles given below. My Instagram link is there, my WhatsApp and LinkedIn links are there. You can connect with me there as well. My team will get back to you. Signing off from today's video. See you in the next video. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing.